Holmarc's independently controlled high-pressure for-channel syringe pump with continuous flow, model HO or SPLF for D, P60C, is a versatile device designed for precise liquid delivery in various applications. Capable of handling high back pressures up to 60 bar, this syringe pump features for independent channels, allowing simultaneous or sequential operation at different flow rates. It includes two dual pump tubing kits, enabling continuous flow from two reservoirs. With a maximum syringe size of 60 ml, this pump supports both 20 ml and 60 ml syringes. Its advanced drive mechanism is powered by a microprocessor-controlled stepper motor with 1/16 microstepping, ensuring remarkable precision with a pusher advance of 0.3125 microns per microstep. The pump achieves flow rates ranging from 55 microliter per hour to 37 milliliters per minute for the 20 milliliter syringe, with a nominal linear force of 160 kilograms. Users can easily operate the device through a 20x4 line LCD display featuring a numerical keypad, and it can interface with a PC via RS-232 for enhanced functionality. The pump allows for the programming of up to 5 standalone sequences, with an unlimited number of programs available in PC mode. Key controllable parameters include flow rate, syringe diameter ranging from 10 mm to 27 mm, duration from 1 second to 18 hours, and target volume between 0.1 ml and 60 ml. This sophisticated syringe pump is ideal for applications in research laboratories, pharmaceutical industries, and other fields requiring precise fluid handling. Holmarc's independently controlled high-pressure for-channel syringe pump with continuous flow, model HO SPLF for D, P60C. Holmarc manufactures a wide range of scientific instruments and devices for manufacturing, research, and education. Visit us at www.holmarc.com and contact us at sales@holmarc.com. Order your products now.